Oh, what a welcome here at Four Seasons Hotel DIFC in Dubai. I just love the way that it looks as though this is a newspaper rather than a specially printed welcome. And I'm looking round my corner suite. It's a weekend, so very little traffic outside in DFC. I'm going to take us around so you can see. They know that I like berries. They know I like a good wine. I've got Louis Jadot 2014. They think I'm a monkey. I've got enough bananas to take me through the Congo. I've got a note over there from housekeeping. I've got a most beautiful jewelry box, white leather jewelry box. I've got initials on my two front pillowcases. They don't have any USBs here, but I'm sure I'm going to find some somewhere. Now we begin a walk around. This, you can get jolly good exercise. You don't have to go to the gym here because you just walk around past a bathroom that's perfect for size 0 people. A sumo wrestler would be jammed, but I don't think I'm quite a sumo wrestler yet. We've got diptych toiletries and a big shower, and continuing around, lots of mirrors, always a good thing, and continuing around a very high up magnifier, aimed not at a sumo, but a basketball player, and enough hangers for the whole of a Dior fashion show. This is very generous. Look, I've got a steamer and a suit carrier and a Dyson dryer in a matching box. All very stylish, and a massive safe for 2 tiaras, one on top of the other. And I do like having a table in the main lobby to put keys and glasses and things on. A little bonsai. Then I'm back to the desk. Big desk, always useful. And my lovely sitting area, looking out at Dubai.